Good morning, it's Douglas from RAIZOR bringing you the latest AI news for today, Thursday, May 15th, 2025. First up, here's an overview of today's highlighted topic on our blog. AI is not a band-aid for subpar business processes. The article discusses how simply adopting AI technology isn't enough for business success. Organizations need to fundamentally rethink their workflows and systems to effectively integrate AI. It emphasizes that AI should enhance rather than replace human expertise, and businesses need to focus on training employees to work alongside AI tools while embedding AI literacy throughout their workforce, similar to how companies handled the digital transformation era. A key focus is the importance of modernizing legacy IT systems to properly support AI integration, as adding AI tools to outdated systems can create problems. The article outlines various benefits of proper AI integration, including increased efficiency and better decision-making through data analysis, while acknowledging challenges like employee anxiety about job security and the difficulties of updating old systems. It suggests businesses should focus on low-risk but high-impact areas when beginning to weave AI into their operations. You can read the full blog post at razor.co/blog. Now let's get into today's news. Google is broadening Gemini's reach by integrating it into Android devices, including smartwatches, televisions, cars, and extended reality headsets. The expansion includes voice interaction capabilities on Wear operating system, content recommendations on Google TV, and driving assistance through Android Auto. The company is partnering with Samsung to integrate Gemini into upcoming Android extended reality headsets. This integration will transform how professionals interact with their devices across multiple platforms, enabling more seamless workflow management and device interaction. OpenAI's Jacob Pachocki shared his vision for artificial intelligence's role in scientific research during an interview with Nature. Current AI models are demonstrating the ability to uncover new scientific insights and generate novel research findings. OpenAI is preparing to release new open-weight models to support scientific discovery. This development signals a transformation in how research teams can accelerate their discoveries and validate scientific hypotheses. The Trump administration has reversed previous semiconductor export control regulations in favor of country-specific agreements. Restrictions on exports to China remain in place, with specific guidance regarding Huawei's Ascend AI chips. The policy shift emphasizes bilateral agreements rather than global restrictions. These changes will impact how international businesses structure their AI hardware supply chains and technology partnerships. Notion has launched new artificial intelligence-powered features for note-taking and transcription. The platform now includes AI meeting notes, enterprise search, and research mode capabilities. The system integrates with advanced language models to create a comprehensive AI toolkit. These features will enhance productivity for teams by streamlining meeting documentation and information retrieval processes. OpenAI has introduced an updated version of their language model with improved coding capabilities. The new release offers enhanced speed and precision for coding tasks and following instructions. A free mini version is available to all users, while the full version requires a subscription. This update will benefit software development teams by improving code generation efficiency and accuracy. Google's AlphaEvolve system has achieved the first improvement on Strawson's algorithm since 1969. The system combines multiple Gemini models to generate and analyze code for complex problems. AlphaEvolve found new solutions for 20% of tested mathematical problems while matching top results in 75% of cases. This breakthrough will enhance computational efficiency in areas like data center management and artificial intelligence training. OpenAI has introduced a new dashboard that displays performance data across their artificial intelligence models. The system evaluates metrics including content safety, vulnerability to exploitation, and accuracy rates. Regular updates are planned as part of the company's commitment to transparency in artificial intelligence safety. This tool will help organizations make informed decisions about implementing AI systems while managing associated risks. Those are the most important AI news articles for today. Want the links from these podcasts as well as all the latest tools and various new jobs in the AI sector? Join the newsletter at razor.co and get in touch to learn how to cut costs, boost revenue, and accelerate your business growth with AI-powered automations.